Hi everybody, today I'd like to explore some of the common challenges or thoughts or feelings that people have when they're approaching the opportunity to join Spirit Gym. Probably one of the most common is people feel that they don't even know what their purpose is. So their inner sense is, how would I do something like this if I don't know what my purpose is? Well, that turns out to be exactly what Paul Chek's Purpose Aligned Path is designed for. So what I do is I take you through a very carefully constructed series of steps. First of all, to help you connect to your heart, develop your soul's profile, get a deeper sense of who you are from your intuitive sense, your gut sense, and your heartfelt sense, not just the ego sense. So you learn how to begin working with the deepest, most authentic parts of yourself. Now, I'd like to say that Spirit Gym is not something that I just made up. It's not an idea that I just had and said, oh, I've got to do this. Spirit Gym is the synthesis of 42 years of my own inner work, healing, spiritual development, and my work with thousands and thousands of clients. And so the story I want to tell you today about someone who didn't even know what their purpose was is a very special story. Because this story is about Amy Fournier. And Amy Fournier had been my student for about 30 years when she came to me. She was a gym owner and she was in a midlife crisis, and she had reached the point where her heart just wasn't being fulfilled by what she was doing. We got to the point where she had completed her personal myth, and she was reading it and talking to me about it, and tears came to her eyes, and she said, Paul, I can tell you right now that I'm no longer in a midlife crisis, and I feel great. And she looked at me and she said, this stuff that you and I have been doing together, is this what Spirit Gym's all about? And I smiled and I said, Amy, you've been doing Spirit Gym work since the very beginning. This is exactly what Spirit Gym's about. And she is living her dream, and she's building her new amazing course from her gorgeous farmhouse on her 10-acre property that's absolutely stunning and exactly what her dream was. Another common challenge is that people say, I know what I should do, but I don't do it. I keep procrastinating. So I'll tell you a story about one of my level 4 practitioners who is a very intelligent woman. So she came to me with chronic adrenal fatigue and classic fibromyalgia symptoms, and I did an evaluation on her. And when I wrote her a program, it was focusing on what I felt to be her chief issue, was adrenal exhaustion. When she looked at the program, she said to me, Paul, this looks like the same stuff that James Williams teaches in his book on adrenal fatigue. And she said, I've read all that book. Why should I pay you for a program that has everything that's already in the book that you had us read as part of our prerequisites? And I smiled and said, if you've read the book and you know what's in the program, why haven't you done any of it, and why are you paying me for my help right now? Well, lo and behold, she did follow the program. I did hold her accountable. She lost a lot of weight. Sometimes we need somebody that we trust that has the knowledge and the skill and evidence in their own life that they are worthy of being accountable to, and that's what I provide in your Spirit Gym membership and training program. Another common fear people have when they're approaching the opportunity that Spirit Gym offers is they feel they just don't have time in their life to begin a road of healing and self-exploration. One of the things I teach you in Paul Chek's Purpose Aligned Path training program is that time cannot be managed. We all have 24 hours a day. Only activities can be managed. And once we are clear on what our dreams, goals, and objectives are, we then look at your daily, weekly, monthly, and annual schedule, and we create what is called sacred time. Now, for some people, time to meditate may seem like it's ridiculously unavailable, but I show you how you can even use sitting on the toilet as a spiritual practice and take advantage of those few minutes. So what do these people I've been sharing with you have in common? Well, they all followed the 8-step system that I've put together for you as Paul Chek's Purpose Aligned Path. The system works if you're willing to put the work in. And that also means you don't need to be anyone special. You don't need to already know your purpose. You don't have to have a ton of money in savings. You don't need perfect circumstances, and you don't have to have it all figured out. That's what the program's for, is to help you with all of these things. The priority list for early notification is opening soon, which means once we launch the program, if you've signed up below, you will get priority to be notified before anybody that comes along. So sign up directly below and you'll be first to be notified of the release of the new program, which I can't wait for you to see. It's awesome.